In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or remove an indicator in TradingView. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. You can use the site free or signed in, either way works for what we're doing. The key is to get into the charting interface so you can see your indicators clearly and make changes with just a couple of clicks. Next, choose the stock, index, or market you want to view and open the full chart. You can pick something from your watch list or type a symbol into the search bar. When the symbol loads, make sure you're in the full featured chart view rather than a compact preview. This gives you access to the indicator legend, settings, and all the editing tools you'll need. Now locate the indicator you want to adjust. Indicators either sit directly on the price chart like a moving average or in their own pane below like RSI or MACD. Look to the left side of the chart where the legend appears or hover over the indicator line or pane. You should see the indicator's name, which helps confirm you're selecting the right one before making changes. To edit the indicator, hover over its name and click the settings gear. This opens the indicator's settings window. In the Inputs tab, you can change calculation parameters such as length, source, or smoothing, depending on the indicator. Use this to fine-tune responsiveness or reduce noise. In the Style tab, adjust how it looks, line colors, thickness, plot visibility, and fills, so it's easy to read against your chart background. You may also see options for scales or visibility by time frame, which is helpful if you only want the indicator to show on certain intervals. When you're happy, click OK or apply to confirm. If the chart layout is important to you, remember to save your layout so your edits stick the next time you open TradingView. If you decide you don't need the indicator at all, removing it is just as simple. Hover over the indicator's name in the legend or its pane, then click the trash bin icon. The indicator will disappear from the chart immediately. If you remove something by accident, you can quickly undo using the standard undo shortcut or the on-screen undo button, and it will come right back with its previous settings. That's all there is to it. Open TradingView, load your full chart, identify the indicator, use the settings gear to edit, and use the trash icon to remove. With these basics, you can keep your charts clean, readable, and tailored to your trading workflow.